Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually run ad on X or Twitter. So first you just need to simply go to your browser and go to the business.x.com, or you can simply search for ads Twitter and then you can find the official website. So first you have to simply click on launch a campaign, then from here you can continue with your account. So I have to sign up with my account here. So here there's no account actually. So I'm going to set up my account first. Then we are going to add that like this. Now sign up. Then we would create the ad actually campaign. Now skip for now or add that here. So somewhere. So here you can see add it. Now skip for now. Skip for now also. I'm going to skip all of this from your music, anything like sports, food, fashion, beauty, gaming and entertainment, horticulture, technology, business, finance, and more many of them, so don't miss it out. So we can follow anything, like I'm going to follow it like this and this here. Now simply click on next, and from here you can see I am on my new account here. So we are going to create or launch a campaign here. So it will help us to launch us a campaign. So here you can see it has just redirected from our account. So make sure that you have an account on that Gmail and you are on that browser also. So tell us where you are going to start. So here is the location where you can set the location. So I'm going to set the location like here, and time zone here you can select the time zone. Now you can simply click on this create your first ad simply by this button here. So here is the campaign form that you have to fill up first. So let me show you. The first step is payment, then the auto targeting and return on invest and ad. So the payment is actually the sales. So you can promote your website and drive sales. You can simply click on edit and you can add something like campaign object here, that awareness. You can make awareness to maximize your ads reach or video views, or if you want the pre-roll views, or if you want app installs like website traffic and engagement or anything. So sales also you can get join with sales that you can purchase on your website. If you have a Shopify store, then this is actually the best option for you, the sales. Now I have just set it to sales. Now here you can add the name of your campaign. So I'm going to add that like sell generate campaign, just like this. Now here is credit card. So you can add your credit card. So you can simply click on it. Now you can add your name first, your full name, then card number, then you can add your expiration date, the security number, then the billing address from here. So that's how you can add some card numbers here. So then you can go to auto targeting here. So here you can see the third-party custom audience and targeting tools like social database may negatively impact on your campaign performance. We recommend using only X owned and operated audience or targeting tools for your campaign setup. So there's a caption for you. Now here is auto targeting. So you have to select the location. So I'm going to select the location here, United States America. So it is already included and you can use it United Kingdom. So for example, you can choose any of this from here, and like this I have just added all. Now the gender, you can still select any, you can target any gender persons like man or woman. Now here's the age, like all age person or age range, you can select the age range here. So that person will get that product to their newsfeed. So you can select it to like 18 to that. Now simply click on next. Then return on investment. So you here is the expectation budget, the daily budget of yours, so that how much you can actually invest daily on your X ad. So here is in default it has added 100, but I'm going to invest $10 daily on that ad here. So pick an action. So purchase tracker, you can select the action here, that you can track your purchase, lead generation tracker, download tracker and add to cart tracker. So we just because of that we have a Shopify store, like here we have a Shopify store, that's why it's actually I'm going to go with this purchase tracker. Now we are going to target cost per action. So It's optional actually. You can add the target cost about the CPA, so if you want, so then the add one. So after adding that, you can go to the next here, and here is the add one, where you can actually add customize your ad here. So you can create another ad, or you can use your existing ad if you have. So then here, from here, you can add some caption about your app. The single media here, you can use a single media like one photo or one video. This is only for video. I prefer for only for video, so you can use video. If you want to use photos, so I can suggest you can use the carousel, so it suits better. So for example, single media here, then call to action here, so you can add a button here, call to action button here, so shop now, like here. So you can find different types of button that you can add here, so like this. Then here you can add something, you can add your media from your file manager here. For example, this one. So I have added this model here, so we can you can actually create an ad with the ad creators or the actors or the models, and you can perfectly create a video and you can upload it. And video is most preferable thing for ads. So search volume here, you can see the here that make sure your photos and videos follows access media guidelines. So here it is. You can simply click on confirm, or here after confirming confirm. Now here you can find the headline, so where you can add some headline that switch that actually suits you. Just like this, and website URL. So we are going to use our website URL. So like this, I'm going to visit my website here. So this actually my web page here. So this is not this actually. So we are going to select my another store here. So we are going to get it like the third one maybe. The second one. Let me show. See. So here is my web page here. So we are going to select that domain here. So that there's actually no domain actually. This is my demo account. So I'm going to add the demo web page here. So here you can see launch campaign. You can launch the campaign here. So you can simply click on launch campaign. So you can get anything. So here it is. So you have to add captions on what's happening. So headline that suits you. So you can add something like get ready for party or meeting with this gentleman suit. Gentleman suit. So I've just added. Now launch campaign. Let's see how it look like. Here you can see your ad was created. So we can create the ad here. So free ad created here. So you can find it. So here is install best pixel. You can find the pixel. So we have to add now install the pixel on our store. So first we have to go to the store. Now go to the apps. Now search for the X Twitter. So we have to simply click on it, and here we have to wait for it. Here you can see in my country it's not actually added here or available on our location, or also actually you can see the pixel. So we can add some pixels, so Pixel Pro, where you can easy pixel install. So we can use the third party actually. So multi-pixel installer, we can use this, and we actually can use this one. So multi-pixel installer. Now you can install it. Now I'm going to install that from here, and this is for actually tracking all of these sales that X can collect all of the details from your store. So you have to add this code here. So here is the Pixel multi-pixel installer. So there is a pro plan here. So we are going to start a free trial. So here is a free trial for you. Now you can add it. So for that, for free trial, we have to choose the credit card. So with this third party platform, and the X platform, if you there's available this X app is available on your store, on your location, then you can simply copy that code here. Simply click on copy code, or you can download it, and you can just paste the code that just before the closing head. So closing head section tag on the tag on all the pages of your website, so you can add it on all the pages. So this is actually the manual instruction, and this base pixel will track page views and enable event tracking, and use the Xpixel helper browser extension to verify correct installation. So you can also add your browser extension here. Like here you can go to the Chrome web store here, and you can add this Xpixel helper. So copy here, and I'm going to search for it. So here it is, Xpixel helper, that will actually help you to judge or examine that if that part of this pixel is installed or not. So if you want, so then you can paste that pixel on the all of pages here. Like here is pages, so you can select pages here. So yes, this is the page where you can actually go to that here, and also you can go to the online store, and you can find that the custom has, you can click on this editor button. Here is the edit code, where you can actually edit code for every pages here. So from layout, templates, and all of this, so you can add it in this all of this coded here before the header text. So for example, where the heading text is actually ended, so where you can find the close heading text, so you can paste it there. For example, there's the heading tag actually. So this is product, and here is closing. So you can just use this pixel if you want. So then you can add that pixel, paste that pixel, and it will track your all the event and views and the sales. So that's all for today. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.